I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I've been vlogging about tech for a few years now, and I've learned a lot along the way. In this video, I'm going to share some of my tips for creating high-quality tech vlogs. I'll also talk about how to promote your channel and grow your audience. So if you're thinking about starting a tech vlog, or if you're looking to improve your existing channel, this video is for you. The basics of vlogging. Vlogging is a video blogging that is a video blog, or vlog is a blog in the form of a video. Vlogs are typically short, personal videos that are posted online. They can be about anything, but they often focus on the vlogger's life, thoughts, and experiences. The different types of vlogs that you can create. There are many different types of vlogs that you can create. Some popular types of vlogs include product reviews, vlogs that review new tech products, how-to videos, vlogs that teach viewers how to do something, such as how to set up a new piece of tech or how to use a new feature on a social media platform. Unboxing videos, vlogs that show viewers what's inside a new tech product. Travel vlogs, vlogs that document a vlogger's travels. Vlogs about current events, vlogs that discuss current events related to technology. Equipment you need to start vlogging. The equipment you need to start vlogging will depend on your budget and the type of vlogs you want to create. However, some basic pieces of equipment that you'll need include a camera. You can use a smartphone camera or a dedicated vlogging camera. A microphone. A microphone will help you capture your voice clearly. Editing software. Editing software will help you edit your vlogs and add music, effects, and text. How to choose tech topics to vlog about. When choosing tech topics to vlog about, it's important to consider your audience. What are they interested in? What are they struggling with? Once you know what your audience is interested in, you can start brainstorming topics that you can vlog about. How to find trending tech topics. You can also find trending tech topics by following tech news websites and social media accounts. This will help you stay up to date on the latest tech trends and find topics that your audience is likely to be interested in. Tips on how to research tech topics. When researching tech topics, it's important to be thorough. Make sure you read multiple articles and watch several videos on the topic. This will help you get a well-rounded understanding of the topic and be able to share accurate information in your vlog. How to create engaging tech vlogs that are interesting and informative. There are a few things you can do to create engaging tech vlogs. 1. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. 2. Be passionate about the topic and share your excitement with your viewers. 3. Use visuals to make your vlogs more interesting. 4. Tell stories and anecdotes to engage your viewers. 5. Edit your vlogs to make them flow smoothly. The importance of storytelling in vlogging. Storytelling is a powerful way to engage your audience and make your vlogs more memorable. When you tell stories, you're giving your viewers a reason to care about the topic you're talking about. Tips on how to edit your vlogs to make them more engaging. Editing your vlogs can help you make them more engaging and polished. When editing, pay attention to the pacing of your vlog and make sure that it flows smoothly. You can also use editing to add music, effects, and text to your vlogs. How to promote your tech vlogs on social media. Social media is a great way to promote your vlogs. You can share your vlogs on your social media channels and encourage your followers to share them as well. You can also use hashtags to help people find your vlogs. That's all for this video. In this video, we talked about how to vlog about tech in 2023. We covered a lot of ground, including 1. What to vlog about. 2. How to create high-quality content. 3. How to promote your channel. If you're thinking about starting a tech vlog, or if you're looking to improve your existing channel, I hope this video gave you some helpful tips. Here are a few additional things you can do to grow your tech vlog. 1. Be consistent with your uploads. 2. Engage with your audience in the comments section. 3. Collaborate with other tech vloggers. 4. Run contests and giveaways. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.